expand, her ideas, expand her reach. And I think those two together are absolutely amazing. And even if they partner, I think they are gonna build an empire together. I didn't know who she was. I mean, it was first time because she was talking about me, and that was the first video that I found on the internet about someone being so positive about Wode, despite what people.
Yes, this video, it touched my liver. Echo me. I say, may I bring and come for my people table. Me una see. You see that lady? Now join with Maya and Miss Trudy together. Ask me if I dey sleep. Wake me. I will tell you again. Hey, this lady. You never hear her. Now join Miss Trudy and Woodmaya together. You hear Woodmaya? She said she never see anybody but brother come. A lot of people they talk about you good now. No be if few people they talk about you bad, but I believe say since when me they on into YouTube, majority of people they talk about you well. But you know me say me you do bad, maybe we not talk about you also. Or maybe you do something wrong. Maybe we not talk about it, we'll still talk about it. You know, say when person do something wrong, and when we talk about it, you go see other person come out to retaliate, or some will come out to retaliate. Many of us we learn with our mistake. We learn with when people talk. We learn with a lot of things surrounding us. You do, if you can't do bad, nobody tell you, then nobody will ever fit talk to you. Then you think say what they do. And like now, since I watch your video, you are doing well. You are doing well. Anywhere you go, you find your Africa pricing. You go like to film out. You like to film out for your YouTube channel. To let I say, tell us say we are one Africa, no matter what. They don't already pack us put for there. We are one. We are one color. Whether you be Abilo, as far as whether you be Abilo, whether you be darky like our brother Woodmaya, or whether you be chocolate like me, we are all African. We are all African. My brother, you go ahead want check him out for this video when Woodmaya publish. Now, no say he go publish video. Now they talk about me. When they hack my channel, Woodmaya, you know, so they always talk about you. This why I want to talk about this our brother Woodmaya. This lady, she never know say she and Woodmaya go jam. Then you know how we take they analyze our video when we go there, when we will see big YouTuber upload video, we want go find one thing to talk about, we want go find, to check them out. Echo man. Now this lady take go Woodmaya and she can see Miss Judy. She said she know Miss Woodmaya through Miss Judy. Who me know? Two of them. I know I know Miss Judy through Woodmaya. I don't already know Woodmaya before I know Miss Judy. Yes. She can't say, because who be this person? When Miss Judy and Woodmaya do things together, maybe they film video together, this lady take her time to analyze them. That time, I don't believe say Woodmaya what don't they Miss Judy mind do, or Miss Judy what don't they Woodmaya mind do, but they are just doing things like we be YouTuber filming together. The lady come professor. Hey, professor! May I professor? You supposed to open church now. I bet you not sabi. Because your prophecy don't come through. Woodmaya and Miss Judy, they remarry. You see, if Miss Judy and Woodmaya come together, they will build an what? Empire. And today they really don't marry. You see, say this our mouth, there is power in this our mouth. When we they do something, maybe they apply wisdom. When what they come out from our mouth, maybe they apply some things because we don't know when God bless this our tongue. You see, this woman, Woodmaya don't know whether he go marry Miss Judy. Miss Judy don't know whether he go marry Woodmaya, but she talk about they say if they marry, today they come marry. After they don't marry now, Woodmaya can't decide to visit. No, he don't be say he just decide. Something take her to Jamie. Something take her to Jamie to meet Ghana president and Ghana ex-president. That my Ghana president he failed the appointment. I don't know if he say disappoint. He failed the appointment. Then he come meet this prophecy woman. I call it prophecy. What's the title I'll give this video? I'll put on like say the lady who prophesied with Maya and Miss Judy married. I never know. The lady will analyze their video, say if they come together, they will make a good, me I know they speak baby grammar, they go make impact, they will make a good name or a good record. They will build an empire. Yet the lady Woodmaya, after many years now, Woodmaya and this lady can't jump for Jamie. And they can't jump for Jamie. Woodmaya say the first time when person talk about him, now be this lady. He now decide to meet this lady. You see, if you they analyze like me, maybe they try, maybe not they take side. But for me, I dey analyze my things. I no say make person use am know me one day. As me take see things, na so I take dey talk am. Maybe as I take talk am, no be so you go take see am. You see am, everybody with their own opinion. And maybe e fit sweet you, maybe e no fit sweet you. Maybe e fit sweet the person wey dey analyze, maybe e no fit sweet the person wey dey analyze. But for you, just stand say, okay, you are saying the truth. Na how you see am, na be that. I believe say this lady now, na how she see am, na she just analyze. So wetin would Maya talk? Say people never see person when they don't talk about him. No be everybody will like you. No be everybody will hate you. We will see some people who will still like us. We see some people who will still hate us. Anything when you they do, be just know yourself. Yes, just know yourself. No look say this person. I not believe say this lady will ever believe say would Maya come Jamie. They will see. I not believe. No be today that she do that video. She don't do this video for long. But now they can't. That is later see. Then another one when I see when she took my leave, I call meme. You know, say many people for Africa would Maya kudos to you for that part, that thing when you still break come out. You know, say many people for Africa they go look say, oh Europe no suffer, oh Europe he do this. Una see say person they ask would Maya money may give her. Who be that person? Na Oiboma. Ask me again, may I tell you. Africa suffer, Africa will they suffer. Person for Jenny would Maya say, can't you see me? I'm a black. I not got the money. I come from Africa. He said, guy, you need to give me money. He they beg money for street. What did he tell you so? No place where person not for the beg, and no place where crisis no day. Crisis there everywhere. For that one with Maya video, if you never watch and go watch am. Oibo man they beg with Maya money say, Bambiela, give me cover. Bambiela, give me cover. Bambiela, give me. Hey, hey, hey. I not cover me. Oh. Now what I see now with Maya say me with the analyzer. Now what I see for China now I just the talk so. Oibo man say give me money. To tell you say everywhere people they pass through. Everywhere, no place when they peace. Everywhere. Don't be say they no dey peace. So yes, security they light they you know a good road a day. But still no say some cities they pass through a lot. For this man to day street, I know say many of them they don't want to walk home. Ask me again. Many of them don't want to walk. That one day, but as would my take prove that part, I love them so that some of my African people will know say some Oyibo see they face difficulty. Some Oyibo see they face hardship. Some Oyibo see they when they street they do begging. No be only Nigeria begging. They don't be only Ghana begging. They don't be only Africa begging. They beg they all over the world. And another before I go end this video, would Maya also you see say Oyibo make Africa head. He said this Oyibo, whether na our daki de bulalara. He said, me we go ask her, would Maya. Hey, hey, hey. Every time I tell you, hey, you just carry your camera. How you go to ask him again? I will put this maybe if I see him. Whether you know any African person, whether you know any African person, say yes, an African person do. Would Maya say an African person de bulalara? How you tell us an African person de bulalara? This our brother. My people, I just come here, I use and run little. Gay. Now who they zuzu? Now who they there? When I talk about people good chat, if you want to create content out of somebody, for me, I always dig say create good parts. Not be say the person wrong, maybe you not tell her. You fit tell her, maybe you fit tell her the right thing. Say as it's supposed to be, say as it's supposed to do. You understand? But just person create content, you just carry that content, pattern like black. For me, Sha, we are all content creators now, you know. It not really dey okay. For me, it not really okay. But if you see what you want to correct that person with love and like, okay. If I don't offend anybody when I talk, do reaction or do things, I will draw my word. Now would Maya, see when join would Maya, when prophesy, the pastor when prophesy, YouTube pastor, YouTube professor, YouTube professor, YouTube this, hey, when join would Maya Miss TRUDY together, God join them together. But for this art, person when you see that vision, if that pastor, they know how much you go pay. Person when you see that vision, now trigger this my May video, me I do this video. I should analyze everything. It will really come true. Today, would Maya meet her? He say, is it am I dreaming? He say, would Maya I'm saying? It's would Maya you are seeing your brother. Your Africa to the world. Africa to the world. Africa to the world. Not the verse for your fellow. Whether in Africa, whether now people not verse for your fellow human being. We are one. The same blood when they run for your vein, then they run for my vein. The same water You see, you eat, I eat, you breathe, I breathe. God give me breathe, he give you breathe. If you God take my, I'll be like stick. If you take your, will be like stick. Why are we angry for each other for? Okay? Your success is not my success. My success is not your own. Let's unite and make a good things out of bad. Okay? Thank you all the Woodmire fans. Please always watch my video here now. Anytime I talk about Woodmire, me una watch my video. If when I say they hack Woodmire account, Woodmire say no be bad thing. Supposed to they promote. Maybe they promote good thing, and that is true. Let's promote good thing so that. Thank you. I will see you now in my next video. If you never subscribe, do where to subscribe. Do where to subscribe to Naija Daughter, mommy of two. Yes, so I be mother of two. I can repeat it. Naija Daughter, living in France. They stay France. I'll see you in my next video.
I mean, Mata Finest is a Kenyan YouTuber. She's based in Munich, Germany. And I'm meeting this lady just because of this. 4 years ago, when I met Trudy, when we started making videos, a lot of people had assumptions about me. So I was on my way going back to China. I don't know if you guys remember, Trudy came to Ghana to see me. And I had to extend my ticket from going to China so that I'll be able to stay in Ghana and spend time with Trudy. I did that. On my way to China, I got to Addis Ababa and I got a notification that a lady called Mata Finest have uploaded a YouTube video.
Yeah, and Miss Trudy has also has also gained in following, obviously, from all over the world, from Ethiopia, from Ghana, and all of this country as well. I think she is already an open-minded person, but through Wode, she's also going to travel the world. She's also going to expand.
A souvenir.
That lady with the plaited hair.
Yeah, it looks so African. It's probably she's dating an African.
Or she likes. Or she
No,
wants to, or she wants to.
no, she's. You wanna go and find out? Hi. Hello. How are you?
Good, and you?
I love your hair. That's why I came back.
I love your hair.
Yeah, you have an African man?
Yeah, it is from vocation. I was in Tenerife. I was
Oh, from an African woman did it for you. Can I see it?
It's a little bit. I love you. Too much beauty.
Nice hair.
The biggest one?
I told you the hair. Definitely.
No, she doesn't.
You want to ask money, bro? Bro, you should be giving me money.
You can give me Ghana city.
No.
Do you have Ghana city?
No, I even if I have, I won't give. I got from Africa, I give you my money. You have no idea. You should give me euros. Give me euros. He wants to take euros for me. No, I'm just walking in the streets of Munich.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast.